All India Bank Officers Confederation (Aiboc) has raised a concern over the Reserve Bank of India's proposed framework for responsible and ethical enablement of artificial intelligence-free AI, cautioning that its unilateral rollout without structured consultations could undermine consumer rights, workers' protections, and stability of public sector banks (PSBs). In a statement, Aiboc said while RBI's guiding principles of trust, fairness, accountability and safety were laudable, their value would remain limited unless translated into enforceable rights and protections. The Confederation warned that a top-down, time-bound imposition of the framework risked legal uncertainty, consumer harm and fresh stress on PSBs. The organization listed main concerns including unclear liability in AI-related disputes, the risk of bank officers being scapegoated for system failures, the threat of model bias and cyber vulnerabilities, and the possibility of widening inequality if AI disproportionately benefits large corporates over small borrowers. It also cautioned that early adoption could give private banks a structural advantage unless PSBs and regional rural banks (Rbi'S) are provided access to shared infrastructure, multilingual models and regulatory sandboxes. Aiboc demanded formation of a National Council for AI in banking with representation from trade unions, civil society and consumer bodies, a phased adoption with a moratorium on high-risk AI use cases until safeguards are validated, and a no-force redundancy covenant alongside a national upskilling mission for bank employees. General Secretary Rupam Roy said Aiboc was not against technology but emphasized that dialogue first, deployment next is the path to innovation with accountability.